Okay, pause, because the cards coming out for December 7th are way too accurate to ignore. So I'm hearing that someone needs to hear this message right now, okay? And if this found you, it's probably you. We have the Queen of Pentacles here, okay? And I'm getting the energy of I'm exhausted, I'm doing everything right. Why isn't anything shifting yet? But listen, when I'm seeing the Queen of Pentacles here, it makes me feel like there is so much value around you that is getting ready to come into your life. You're getting ready to see all that work you've put in, okay? December 7th, it's a turning point day. So it's that moment where you finally realize that what felt like rejection was actually redirection, okay? And I just feel like you've known this deep down. Like with the Queen of Pentacles, it's like you've known this value within yourself all along. I feel like you've been carrying something very heavy that wasn't even yours to hold, and the universe is saying you don't have to fight this alone anymore, okay? That's what I'm really feeling. Underneath there, we have the Ace of Cups, okay? This is your next card. And with this, it's making me, I just feel like this is a validation of everything I just said above. Like, this is the spotlight card. This is the people finally seeing your worth card, right? Someone who underestimated you, they're realizing they were wrong, okay? Aces are about new beginnings. Cups are about emotional fulfillment. So I'm feeling all this energy in addition to those things with the theme of this card. Yeah, this person, they're realizing they were deeply wrong about you, and it's hitting them like all at once, like a bag of bricks. Here's the deal. December 7th is giving you choose yourself, your confidence returns, you stop apologizing for your power, and someone starts chasing what they once ignored. Yeah, that's right. Someone's gonna start chasing what they once ignored. So you're gonna have to really realize what you're wanting out of this. Okay, we have the Devil in the reverse here. This is your final card. And to me, it just feels like there's hope, there's healing, there's a wish being answered. Not in a vague, fluffy way. This feels specific with someone from the past, okay? A text, an offer, a sign, or maybe a person you've been praying for. Something's coming through right when you were about to give in and give up. So that's what I'm feeling with this. The Devil in the reverse, that's what it's making me feel like, okay? So if you are seeing this, your message is very simple, okay? And I feel like it's a big one. December 7th, expect a shift and expect clarity. Expect a finally moment for yourself. Like, oh, we can take a deep breath, like finally. So claim this in the comments if you feel this. You should, because this found you. I'll see you guys next time. Also, if you like this deck that I used, you can get it in the TikTok shop. I made it myself. I'll link it here.